And they're up. Well. Draws for your lead. Westerly Wind is by the rail. Bonnie's Gem, Fields of Gold, then followed by Icy Storm. Running by the rail is Owaki, and Dancing Storms is the early trailer as they lead the straight and rounding to the 3/4 mile distance. Well in command, Westerly Wind. Bonnie's Gem moving up to take second, then comes Icy Storm. Dancing Storms running third last, second last, Fields of Gold, and Owaki now bringing up the rear. Heading towards the last 900. Two runners now fighting it out for the lead. Well by the rail. Then Naughty outside Bonnie's Gem. Icy Storm racing in third. Moving up now to take fourth is Dancing Storms. And now catching the third spot, Owaki down in fifth. Westerly Wind fading out, and Fields of Gold pass approaching on the outside as they round at the last 600. Well, Bonnie's Gem is still running on the outside and throwing a challenge. Dancing Storms, Owaki arriving to the race to as they swing for home. Now we have three of them fighting it out for the lead. Well, in between runners, Bonnie's Gem, Owaki, and by the release, Dancing Storms with 150 to go. Dunoy Raquel on Bonnie's Gem by about 2 lengths over Owaki now in second. Well, drops back in fourth, moving up by the rail third, Dancing Storms. And finally, fourth straight victory for Dunoy Raquel, this time on Bonnie's Gem. Second, Owaki, Dancing Storms, well. Fields of Gold, Westerly Wind, and Icy Storm comes in last.